don't care.
It's Cardiff.
Right.
Now, it is a fact that there was nothing particular at all about the knocker on the door of this house. But let any man explain to me, if he can, how it happened that Scrooge, having his key in the lock of the door, saw in the knocker, without its undergoing any intermediate process of change, not a knocker, but Marley's face. Marley's face. It looked at Scrooge as Marley used to look. It looked like... Oh, my Lord. It looked like that. What phantasmagoria is this?
That's more like it.
I beg you, it is a lantern show. It's trickery.
There she is, sir!
I can see that. The whole blooming world can see that.
The wag reveals himself, does he? Just your satisfied sir.
Oi! Leave her alone! Doctor, I'll get him!
Be careful. Did it say anything? Can it speak? I'm the doctor, by the way.
Doctor, you look more like a navvy.
What's wrong with this jumper?